Hi guys, we will study today the lesson, the set of rational numbers. The set of rational numbers. We will remember with us prelude. You have studied in the primary stage some of sets of numbers as set of counting numbers equal set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on numbers. Number 2, set of natural numbers n equal set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on numbers. And in the primary 6 you have studied the set of integers numbers. Its symbol z equal 0 in the middle and from right 1, 2, 3, 4 as positive number and from left -1, -2, -3 and so on of negative number. In this unit we will recognize another set of numbers called the set of rational numbers. Its symbol Q. Definition of the rational numbers. It's a number that can be expressed in the form A over B, where A and B are integers numbers and B not equal 0. A and B are called the two terms of rational number. So it can be a rational number if in the form A over B and A and B are integers numbers and the important condition B not equal 0. B not equal 0 at ever. Okay? Since A and B is the terms of rational numbers, A is the first term and B is the second term. The formula of rational numbers, we can express the set of rational numbers as the following. The set of rational numbers Q equal set of x since x A over B and A belong to Z, B belong to Z and B not equal 0. Some examples. It can be as a fraction, positive fraction 5 over 7, and it can be -16 over 11. It can be a 0, 0 over 4, and it can be a mixed number, 1/2. It can be as a decimal, 0.75. It can be percent, 12%. It can be a scale, -3 over 5. It can be finally as a decimal or repeated decimal, 1.3. And don't miss the dot over 3. Don't miss the dot over 3. Okay? Set of rational numbers. The set of rational numbers Q equal set of x to x equal A over B. A belong to Z and B belong to Z star. Did you remember Z star? Yes. Z star, it means that except 0 or all integers numbers difference set of 0. Okay? And we can represent that in the number line. We can draw our number line and put 0 in the middle and draw positive number in the right, Q positive, and draw the negative number in the left, Q negative. Remarks. Number 1. Q equal Q positive union set of 0 union Q negative. Number where Q positive is the set of positive rational numbers and the Q negative is the set of negative rational numbers. Number 2. Q positive intersect Q negative equal phi. There is no common numbers between positive number and negative number. Number 3. Q star. Q star equal Q difference set of 0. Okay. In another way, Q positive union Q negative. Based on the previous definition, we can deduce that number 1, all decimals number are rational numbers. Decimals number are rational numbers because any decimal fraction can be expressed in the form A over B, where A and B are integers and B not equal 0. For example, 2.5 is a rational number. Why? Because it can be expressed in the form 25 over 10 or 250 over 100. Number 2, 0.7 is a rational number. Why? Because it can be expressed in the form 7 over 10 or 70 over 100. Number 2, all percents are rational numbers. Percents are irrational numbers because any percentage can be expressed in the form of A over B, where A and B are integers and B not equal 0. For examples, number 1, 15% is a rational number. Why? Because it can be expressed in the form 15 over 100 or 150 over 1000. Number 2, 41.5 is a rational number because it can be expressed in the form 41.5 over 100 or 415 over 1000. Number 3, all integers are rational numbers because any integer can be expressed in the form A over B, where A and B are integers and B not equal 0. Therefore, the set of integers numbers is a subset of the set of rational numbers. How? C subset of N, and N subset of Z, and Z subset of Q. In another way, Z is a subset of Q, and since N subset of Z, then Z is a subset of Q. For example, number 1, 3 is a rational number because it can be expressed in the form 3 over 1 or 6 over 2 or 9 over 3. Number 2, 0 is a rational number because it can be expressed in the form 0 over 1 or 0 over 2 or 0 over 3. Number 3, negative 16 is a rational number because it can be expressed in the form negative 16 over 1, negative 32 over 2, or negative 48 over 3. Remark, each integer is a rational number, but no